Hello everybody, how are you? Today I will show another product, that is Belkin Apple AirTag secure holder with keyring, durable scratch resistant case with open face and raised edges, protective AirTag keychain accessory for keys, pets, luggage, backpacks and more. White. Color of this product: white. Style keyring. Pattern name case. Brand Belkin. Color white. Comfortable devices Apple AirTag. Form factor case. Material polyethylene terephthalate. About this item: durable and dependable. The Belkin Apple AirTag cases twice and lock design keeps your AirTag safely inside the secure holder. Simple and effective. Durable AirTag keychain is the perfect way to keep your AirTag safe and secure while on the go. Easily and securely attach an AirTag to your keys, book, bags, pets or luggage. Longevity prioritized. Our AirTag holder features a raised edge that helps prevent your Apple AirTag from getting scratched. Thoughtfully designed, the Belkin AirTag holder firmly grips the edges of your AirTag while keeping personalized engravings visible in a high quality, elegant accessory. Security in style, available in a variety of colors to match your accessories and outfits. Choose from black, white, blue and pink. Now I will show video of this product. Now I will show some images of this product. Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested to buy this product, please visit description of this video to find product link.